You suffered terrible complications following your surgery, and now when you finally return home, the visiting nurse who's sent to check in on you looks at your wounds and says, "Oh my God, I've never seen wounds as bad as yours. I think the doctor did something wrong to cause these problems." Is that enough to go forward with a valid medical malpractice case in New York? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some terrific information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is no, it's not enough. You see, in any medical malpractice case where we believe a doctor did something wrong and caused you harm, we have to get a qualified medical expert to review and evaluate all of your records. Or a doctor who has treated you, who confirms, number one, that there was wrongdoing, and number two, that the wrongdoing caused injury, and number three, that the injury is significant or permanent. And all of those things are required before we are permitted to go ahead and file a lawsuit on your behalf. So now the mere fact that a visiting nurse makes the observation that your wounds are horrible, that in fact may be a valid observation. But to then jump to the conclusion that these terrible wounds are as a direct result of improper care by the surgeon, that she is not qualified to do. Certainly from a legal standpoint, for us to get in the door to go forward with a case. So what do we have to do? We have to obtain all of your medical records. We then have to find a qualified medical expert, such as a surgeon, to evaluate all the records, and then to review it to determine whether or not the surgeon or any doctor that you were treated by violated the basic standards of medical care. And if there was that a cause of your injury? And then what are the injuries? Are they significant? Are they permanent? Are they disabling? Only then, if we have each one of those elements, are we permitted to go forward and bring a lawsuit on your behalf. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in these civil lawsuits involving medical malpractice here in New York. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did in fact happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.